Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin in iMovie by creating a movie project, so open iMovie and click Create New Movie. Import your footage now, drag files into the library or use Import Media, preview clips and mark favorites to save time. Once done, set the project aspect ratio and frame rate to match delivery, because matching prevents quality loss and timing issues. Make sure to name the project for easy recovery and save frequently. iMovie autosaves, but manual organization speeds later edits. You now assemble and fine-tune. Drag chosen clips to the timeline and trim edges with the yellow handles to tighten pacing. Use Split Command+B to cut precisely where you need, then apply speed adjustments or stabilization to fix shaky footage. These tools change viewer perception, so use them sparingly. Once clips are placed, add transitions and titles to guide attention, then balance audio levels per clip so dialogue remains clear. Remember to listen with headphones. Visual balance needs matching sound. You finish by exporting. Go to Share File, choose Resolution and Quality, and pick moderate or better quality depending on file size needs, because higher bitrate preserves detail. Once exported, test the file on the intended device to confirm playback and aspect ratio. If you see glitches or crashes, free up disk space, restart iMovie, and update Mac OS. Those fixes resolve most stability problems. Finally, re-export with matching frame rate if motion looks off, and keep a project backup.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.